This is a tutorial on how to add a base layer to your QGIS project to view your downloaded snap map features on a map of satellite images. Before you export your farm from snap maps to QGIS, it would be a good idea to add a base layer to your project to get a more accurate layout of your farm. Start up your QGIS program and open a new project by going to Project and selecting New. Look for the Layer drop-down menu in the toolbar and select Data Source Manager. Locate the Browser tab on the left of the Data Source Manager and select it. Here you should see all your saved files as well as the different QGIS services. Locate XYZ tiles, right-click on it, and select New Connection. A window should then pop up prompting you to enter the URL of whatever service you'd like to add for your base layer. We would recommend that you use Google Maps satellite images. You can do this by entering this URL into the URL box and then naming it Google Satellite for easy identification. After that, select OK. Now when you look under XYZ tiles in the Browser tab, you should see the Google Satellite layer under it. When you double-click on it, you should see a map show up on your project with satellite images from the Google Maps website. This is the end of the tutorial on how to add a base layer map to your project in QGIS. You are now ready to import your farm into QGIS and customize your own map.